What's going on, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Cornwell Monday. Mr. Joe's outside, so let's go take a look at what he's got.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Got it good and cool in here today, Mr. Joe. Look at you looking all sporty.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is a welding jacket Mr. Clay ordered from me. Looks cool. It's a lightweight material, but it's for welding, so it's flame retardant. The weld spider won't burn out. You got your pockets on the vest, and then if you look at the back, it's got the vents for
flat.
Keeps you cool when you're doing something really hot, especially on hot days like this. Nice lightweight, snaps. It's even got the Velcro so you get your neck tight in case you're welding overhead, like you're always welding somewhere. So these are your jackets. They are 55 bucks. And we made sure we had designed the same as Mr. Clay's uniform, so he appreciated
It does
that.
match.
Not that we can do that for everybody, but he was first on it. They're just really good jackets for welding. You just let me know it's a welding jacket. I believe this is part number right here. And then you can go all the way up to 5X. That's for the guy you call sir.
That's right. The big boy in the house.
You know, we have here, got a part number. It's either there or right here. It's a Cornwell inch-pound torque wrench. You need to get real fine precision stuff.
What does that go to and from?
Oh, I gotta put my glasses on if you want me to
Read in
read.
here. Let's see. Inch pounds is 30 to 200.
200 inch pounds, yes.
So 30 to 200 inch pounds.
I think it's 20. But they're on sale for $196. Inch pound torque wrench, click, locks. It's got the Cornwell blue black, you know.
Very nice. What'd you say that one was?
That there is $196.
196.
We got Cornwell Elite LCD test light. This is, it lights up, lets you know it's red for power and green for ground. It's got a cord, 12 foot, you got 612 and 24 volt on there.
Wow, that was nice. I talked about the snap-on version is the EECT 200, I believe is the part number on it. But it's only a 12 volt. So
Okay.
this one actually does
6,
12, and 24.
24.
And it does the same thing. It's got the voltmeter built in and the green for ground, so
They're
you
50
get more for your money there.
$55.94.
And half price.
Half the price. Twice the tool. You got the Cornwell flip sockets. There's a part number there. They do a lot of tires and stuff, makes it life easy. These are $102.
$102. Cheaper than snap-on.
Yeah. We'll just say reasonable.
There you go.
Here are our 3/8 extension set. All our extensions have knurls on them, except of course a little 1 inch. And we got part number right there.
Okay.
These are 158.
Now these are Wobble Plus.
It puts a wobble. There's a wobble for the two that are the same size here.
Wow. Cool. What was that again? The price on that? Sorry.
It was 158.
I was listing over the Wobble Plus. I love it.
158.
158.
We also have we gotta hit something that always says nothing but heavy duty. This is a big tray of Milwaukee 10-piece Locking Pliers Set. And Milwaukee is the only company I can give Vice Grip a run for their money because they got the lifetime warranty and they are made nothing but heavy duty. Now, if you would have noticed on the box, they all have this orange handle on there. These are made for whether you, when you get it tight as you can, and you need to grip it more, you can use a crescent wrench, put some grip on it, like one of the Twisted Sisters we got up here,
right,
or a screwdriver and crank it toward. These are made to hold up to whatever abuse you give them, and they have a full lifetime warranty against that. That is on all those.
The whole set?
The whole set. Every single one Milwaukee makes, nothing but heavy duty, and they back them.
There you go.
That there set is $179.
$179. Looks like you get a 6-inch, a 9-inch needle nose, a 7 and a 10-inch regular pair. The C clamps, you get a 6 and 11, and you get a 5, 7, and curved jaw, and the maximum bite, you get a 7 and a 10. So, pretty good selection in that box.
Now we have something really old. That's
like
an old Boy Scout.
Like old stuff.
This here is actually going to one of my good customers, and he lives in Savannah, but he works in Waynesboro at the Rock Place. But one of his friends had found this at a yard sale or something for him, and it's got the handle on here to hook. I think it's your little cooking stove or something. He's going to tell me what it is, but he's a Scout. He's been a.
Got the Boy Scout logo on it.
He was the man was a Boy Scout. Mr. John, we'll call him. Was a Boy Scout. He's now a leader. His kids have all gone through Boy Scouts. His daughter, Girl Scouts. So yeah, he's gonna like it when I show up, and I got this here for him.
That's pretty cool.
We have. Did I leave that picture up here? Oops, hang on. Can you zoom in on that picture there?
Yeah. So that's the paint booth.
That is a paint gun cleaner.
Paint gun cleaner you're showing.
And you never know who did that.
Right.
But it was one of my shirts there. He showed me later that he says, look at this, I did some review and I didn't realize I had your shirt on there, Joe, but we know who it was, Mr. Roger Bird.
There you go.
Bird's Body Shop. So it's just a small world that happened. He did that before. I thanked him for the hat, and he says, look, he says, you gotta see this. So he sent it all to me in the review, and it was pretty good. Other than that,
you want to show that switchblade?
Oh, yeah. I almost thought we were done, guys, but we have something else here.
Switchblade's cool.
We have a switchblade. It is a Streamlight Switchblade. It folds out. You got a magnet. You got a hook. It charges USB, and it also charges on your Streamlight charger. It happens to be the right diameter. Clicks on. Now we turn it on, and it gets bright. Now you got 800 soft light. Oh, maybe this is the 800 side. It won't seem really bright. One is a white light, or a cool white, which is 800 lumens. The other one is 600 lumens. And then when we turn it on, it's a light for checking for UV leaks. So this here, you're able to get in somewhere, be checking, where you can't get with the big lights. And in fact, it seems to light up on both sides, but it lights pretty good.
Yep. What does that one run?
These here are on sale for $150.
$150.
They fold up nice and neat, magnet, hook, and they have that cool name, Switchblade.
That's right. Switchblade.
So if gets to be anything else, let me know. And
Mr. Joe is going to give this away. It's the Milwaukee pen light. It's got the rubber grip, so you can hold it in your teeth or whatever. But he's going to give this away to a very special little buddy of mine, and hopefully we'll get to mail this thing out by Friday. So that's super cool.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day, and just give me a call, a text, and oh yeah, there's one gentleman that was asking me for a large t-shirt, and I looked and finally found one, but email so far back, I've been trying to look, haven't found it, but if you text me back, I have one here for you.
There you go.
So I'll keep looking, but if you text me after seeing this, I have one here for you.
All right. Like always, guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and Mr. Joe's card will be at the end of this. If you need anything, be sure to give him a text.
We have something else. I forgot to get into this. I'm sorry, guys. Have you seen or put your hands on a 1/4 inch drive, 10 millimeters, 6 1/4 inch long impact socket? These are for like BMWs on the rear bumpers, front headlights, and headlights.
Wow.
Not everybody has one of these, but you may find out you may need one. So I got these ordered for body shops to start with.
There you go. All right, guys.
I think it's $44, something like that.
All right. Well, guys, be sure to check the end of this. If you need anything, Mr. Joe's card will be on there. Shoot him a text, and y'all have a great one. We'll catch you next time.